Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be installing some Holman adjustable shelves in our Ford Transit cargo van. Let's get started. All right, what I love about Holman is they do provide you a fully illustrated assembly guide and separate installation guide in the box. Make sure you grab yours and reference yours for the most accurate source of information. Of course, we're doing our best to follow that as well. Now, you can see we're already here in the van. Now, typically what you're going to want to do when you are assembling and installing the shelves is actually assemble them outside the vehicle. I found it very easy to just assemble it on a workbench, then bring it into the van and install it that way. This is kind of an alternate route that you can do as well. We're going to do it inside the van. We're going to assemble it a little bit differently than we would if we were in on a workbench or outside the van, and just to show you what that installation and assembly could look like. Now, we are in a Ford Transit mid-roof height van, so we can fit a 60-inch tall shelf in here. This is going to be a 60-inch tall by 52-inch wide shelf, and because of the size, it's a really big shelf, we can't rotate it. We don't have enough clearance height to rotate this shelf once it's fully assembled. So we're going to be assembling this upright, and typically what you're going to do when you assemble these shelves is you'll put an end panel like this down, and then you're going to slide your shelves in here and put your second end panel on top like that. And so the primary difference that we're going to be doing here is we're going to be assembling this while it's fully upright. And so it's going to be a little bit different. Now, the one thing I love about Holman shelves is all the hardware you need to assemble it's right here. It's going to be mostly these little Phillips head screws. There's going to be a couple of lock nuts in here as well. I'll show you where to use those. And then all you really need is a Phillips head screwdriver. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, like I mentioned, we're going to be assembling this while the shelf is upright. Typically, you're going to have this laying on its side, and you'll bring it into the van upright. It's a lot easier to assemble it when it's on its side. So we're going to be doing this way, and we're going to be mounting all of our shelves kind of with these flanges pointing up. So we have this little cradle right here for stuff to sit in and not fall out of the shelf. Now, if you wanted to mount it with the flush side pointing up, maybe you wanted to put some clips in here for your pack out or whatever you want to do. There's different reasons why you would go each route. We're going to be doing it this way because we're not going to be putting any accessories on the shelf. Now, you're going to want to look for a pre-threaded insert. This is the front of the shelf. So as we mount ours like this, we're going to want the front pointing towards the middle of the cargo van. You can see right here, this is our right panel, our left panel. They are side specific because we do have this taper here. So I'm just sliding my first shelf into my first set of lances here. Now, this is a 4-shelf unit. So we're just going to be doing this evenly spaced. There's going to be one up top, one on the bottom, and then we're going to have 2 in between. So third one right here, 1, 2, fourth one right there. I'm going to go ahead and put my first screw here just in the front. Now I'm going to set our first shelf here, the same location on our left end panel. Same thing here with a single screw. I'm going to go ahead and finagle my second and third shelf on here. Now, for our top shelf, you can see we do have a cutout right here, so we can just slide the shelf in right here, set it down into our lances, and be good to go. Now, I mentioned the gussets. These actually go here on the bottom shelf. Give you some extra support on this leg right here. There are these pre-existing threaded locations on the back of the shelf coming from behind with a screw, and then do the same thing up here, but we do have a couple of lock nuts that we can use at this location and this location. Now we're going to secure the remainder of our shelves to the end panels in the back. Next, we're going to attach our back panels to the shelves. You can see we're going to have these flanges pointing backwards. We're going to attach to these pre-existing mounting locations on the shelf like this. Now with all of our hardware in place, we're gonna go through and tighten everything down. Okay, that concludes the assembly portion of this process. Next, we're gonna install this in the van. A couple of things that are unique about our van. Number one, we have the Holman rigid floor with the built-in inset tracks that we're gonna use to attach the bottom of our legs to. It makes it super simple for installing this. This is typically used with like EVs, so electric vehicles like the Ford E-Transit, because there's a battery right below the cargo floor. You can't drill into the floor to attach with plus nuts and things like that like you typically do with these shelves. And so they design this floor so you attach the shelf to the floor rather than accidentally drilling into a battery on an EV, which is extremely dangerous. The other thing that's a little bit unique about our installation is we do have some custom tracking put in on our walls, and we're gonna attach our brackets for our side mounts to those tracks rather than directly to the van. So that's gonna be a little bit different for your installation. You're probably gonna be installing to the actual van itself. You're gonna be drilling holes, putting in a plus nut, and then securing your brackets that way. Now, just a brief overview of the hardware and brackets for installation. You're gonna have a separate bag of hardware like this. You're gonna have plus nuts like this. These are used for attaching to the van itself. So you're gonna drill a hole or find an existing hole in the wall or floor of the van. You're gonna set this plus nut in there, and then you're gonna use a plus nut installation tool to actually expand this and have it crimp up against that sheet metal, give you a nice mounting location. You also have a couple different length bolts depending on how long you need. Typically on the floor, if you're in like a rib of the floor, something like that, you're gonna wanna use one of the longer bolts along with a spacer that's also included. And then for some of the shorter locations, like against the wall, you can want to use one of these 3/4 inch bolts like this to attach your brackets. Now these are all the mounting brackets that are included in the kit. I'm just going to identify these for you really quick. These are going to be your mid-mount brackets like these. These are going to be the heavy-duty angle brackets like this. They're going to go on either side of the shelf, typically like this. This is going to be against the edge of the shelf, and then this will be up against the van. Got two of them, one on each side. And then you're going to have two top mount brackets like this. They're a little bit smaller. They come with these straight pieces like this, and you're gonna use these in conjunction together. This will mount up against the side of the van, and this will rotate depending on where you need it to mount up against the side of the shelf. Now, the first thing that we're gonna do is actually just measure our layout, because we are gonna put another shelving system behind this, and we wanna make sure that we have enough room for that and the door and all of that. So we're just gonna do some measurements and get this in place where we want it. Now, in positioning the shelf, you wanna make sure that you lift it, you don't drag it. You could easily bend one of these bottom legs if you're just pushing it and you snag a rib or something like that, and then everything's gonna be off. So just make sure you lift it into place. Well, I'm lining up down here with our floor tracks. We have a hole in our leg that we can use with our T-nuts to attach to these tracks. Now, if you're gonna be attaching to the floor tracks, the floor actually includes some of these in the kit. It's these little nuts like this that slide into those tracks, and then you're gonna get a corresponding bolt for attaching the back legs of your shelf. We're just gonna take our bolt here, slide it into place underneath the shelf, take our bolt, hand tight for now. Same thing over here on our back leg. Next, for my mid-mount bracket here, this is a little bit lower because of the way that the van is designed, but I'm gonna line this up right here so I can make some marks. I want this in two locations into the shelf here. Make sure we're not gonna have any conflicts. Now, on your top mount brackets like this, you do have a lot of options. Number one is if you can line up your mounting so that this bracket doesn't need this additional bracket, you can attach the shelf directly to this. I think we're gonna end up doing that up here with our top mount because just the angle lines up that way. But over here on our left connection, we are going to be utilizing this arm so that we can reach down and tie into the side of the shelf. Just gonna use 2 bolts and 2 lock nuts that are included in your kit to secure like this. Now, on our top mount right here, it looks like I can rotate this and get this to line up with an existing hole in the end panel right here, so I don't need to do any drilling. I'm gonna move this one out of the way and drill our holes over here. Do the same thing over on our right side. Next, we're going to attach our brackets to the shelf. using a bolt washer through our holes, washer and a lock nut. And same deal on our top brackets. Next, we're going to tighten all of our brackets basically from top to bottom. And finally, if you do have this Holman 4 with the tracks, we're going to go here and tighten our bolt in the back. And then we do need to attach the front with one of the sheet metal screws included with the floor. And that just about does it for the installation of this Holman shelf here in our Ford Transit van. Installation is going to be similar between the ProMaster and the Sprinter, as well as the compact vans. You're just going to want to make sure that you get the right size shelf that will fit in your van. Now, if you're looking for this shelf or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, check us out at upfitsupply.com. We've got what you need. Okay, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.